Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to give up comfort or style. In this video, I'm sharing 20 smart Amazon finds designed for small apartments that help you save space, stay organized, and make everyday living easier, with prices included so you know what to expect. If you're in an apartment, studio, or any compact space and want practical upgrades that actually make a difference, this list is for you. 1. When a room feels stuffy and the air isn't moving, it can be hard to stay comfortable while working, studying, or relaxing. The Dr. Prepared Desk Fan Tower. Cooling fan is designed to provide focused airflow in smaller spaces with a compact, desktop-friendly design. It features 3-speed options, dual air circulation, and a 110-degree oscillation to help distribute air more evenly, along with 3 timer settings for added convenience. This 13-inch portable table fan works well in bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, or on a desk, while still being suitable for general everyday use in other small indoor areas. 2. When shoes start piling up in closets or entryways, it can be hard to keep things looking organized and easy to access. The X-cosrack 2-tier shoe rack organizer is designed to help store shoes neatly while making better use of limited space. It features an expandable and adjustable design, a stackable structure, and an iron and wood combination that supports everyday shoe storage. With its 2-tier layout and clean white finish, this shoe rack works well in closets, entryways, hallways, garages, and other small spaces, while remaining suitable for a wide range of shoe types and household needs. 3. In smaller bathrooms, finding a place to store extra toilet paper without cluttering the space can be a challenge. The VELENTI Sheep Toilet Roll Holder is a freestanding bathroom set designed to hold and store toilet paper while adding a decorative touch. Each piece features a black sheep design that is 3D printed, making it both functional and playful in appearance. This set includes 3 holders that can be placed on the floor or shelf for convenient access, making it suitable for bathrooms, guest baths, or anyone looking to add a bit of character to their bathroom decor while keeping toilet paper organized. 4. When wall space starts getting crowded and items end up piled on chairs or countertops, having flexible hanging options can make everyday routines easier. These folding coat hooks are wall-mounted, foldable hooks designed to hold items when needed and stay compact when not in use. The set includes 2 gold finish hooks with a foldable design that swings out for hanging coats, towels, robes, clothes, hats, bags, or keys, and folds back flat against the wall to save space. Built for everyday use in bathrooms, bedrooms, entryways, or closets, these hooks are suitable for anyone looking to keep frequently used items organized without taking up extra room. 5. When dishes start stacking up on the counter after meals, it can be hard to keep the kitchen organized and dry. The 7-code large dish drying rack is designed for kitchen counters and provides a structured space for air-drying dishes. It features a 2-tier design with a large capacity, a detachable layout for flexible setup, and a built-in utensil holder to keep silverware organized. The rack also includes a drain board to help manage excess water while drying plates, bowls, cups, and cookware. With its clean white finish, this dish drying rack works well for everyday kitchen use in homes of various sizes. 6. Stepping out of the shower onto a cold or slippery floor can be uncomfortable, especially in busy bathrooms. The YIHOUSE Bathroom Mat Rug is designed to provide a softer and more stable surface right where you need it. It features a memory foam interior with a cobblestone-style surface, along with an absorbent design that helps manage moisture, and a non-slip backing to keep the mat in place. This bath mat is also washable and quick drying, making it easy to maintain for regular use. With its 17 by 24-inch size and dark gray color, it works well in bathrooms, tubs, or shower areas for everyday household use. 7. When indoor air feels heavy from everyday odors, pet dander, or seasonal pollen, it can make a room less comfortable to spend time in. The Medify MA14 air purifier is designed to help clean the air in small to medium spaces using a true HEPA H13 filter. It is rated to cover up to 470 square feet per hour and is intended to capture particles as small as 0.1 microns, including smoke, odors, pollen, and pet-related particles. With its compact white design and simple controls, this air purifier fits easily into bedrooms, offices, nurseries, or other living areas where cleaner air is a priority for everyday use. 8. Keeping food and drinks cold on long drives or outdoor trips can be difficult without a reliable cooling solution. The BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator is a portable car fridge and freezer designed for travel, camping, and road trips. It offers a 23-quart capacity and uses a compressor cooling system with a temperature range from -8 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit supports 12 and 24-volt DC power, as well as 110 to 240-volt AC power, making it suitable for use in cars, trucks, vans, RVs, SUVs, and campers. With its compact design and top-opening lid, it works well for everyday travel and outdoor use without taking up excessive space. 9. When eating, working, or using a device in bed or on the couch, it can be uncomfortable without a stable surface. The TOPULORS breakfast in bed tray with folding legs is designed to provide a convenient and portable tabletop for everyday use. Made from bamboo and sized at 15.7 by 11.8 inches, it features foldable legs that allow it to sit securely on a bed, sofa, or floor, and fold flat for easy storage. The tray includes built-in handles for carrying and works as a bed table for meals, a snack tray, or a surface for tablets and laptops. This serving tray is suitable for both adults and kids and fits well in bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere a compact table is helpful. 10. Small messes like crumbs, eraser shavings, or keyboard dust can add up quickly, especially on desks and workspaces. The ODISTAR Counter Vacuum Cleaner is a mini table dust sweeper designed for quick, everyday cleanup in compact areas. It features a 360-degree rotatable design to help pick up debris from different directions, along with a digital timer and endurance rated up to 400 minutes for extended use. This compact vacuum is suitable for cleaning desktops, keyboards, and small surfaces, and its simple black design fits easily into home offices, study spaces, or shared work areas for both adults and kids. 11. Sitting up in bed for reading, watching TV, or working can get uncomfortable without proper back support over time. The Vekkia 21-inch reading pillow is designed to provide structured support while sitting upright in bed or on the floor. It features a 60-degree ergonomic wedge back pillow shape, supportive armrests, and extra-large side pockets for keeping small items within reach. Sized for users between about 4'11" and 5'11", this pillow works as a support chair for activities like reading, gaming, nursing, or recovery. With its gray and white design, it fits naturally into bedrooms, dorm rooms, or other relaxing spaces where added comfort and support are helpful. 12. In bedrooms where storage space is limited, finding a way to keep items organized without adding extra furniture can be a challenge. The Allewie full-size lift-up storage bed is designed to combine sleeping space with built-in storage underneath the mattress. It features a hydraulic lift support system that allows the bed frame to raise easily, creating access to the storage area below. And it does not require a box spring. The bed includes a button-tufted headboard with a wingback design in a light gray finish, giving it a clean and structured look. This full-size bed works well for bedrooms where both comfort and hidden storage are important for everyday living. 13. Drying clothes indoors can take up a lot of space, especially in apartments or smaller rooms. The JOOM Tripod Clothes Drying Rack is designed to provide a portable and space-saving way to air-dry clothing at home. It features a foldable tripod base with a vertical pole and multiple wooden arms that open out to hold garments evenly for drying, then fold down neatly when not in use. Made with a wooden design and a floor-standing structure, this garment rack works well in bedrooms, balconies, or laundry areas. It's suitable for everyday household laundry needs where flexibility and compact storage are important. 14. Sweeping floors can be uncomfortable when you have to bend down repeatedly or deal with hair stuck in the broom bristles. The NACENA broom and dustpan set is designed to make everyday floor cleaning more convenient at home or work. It features a long, adjustable handle up to 52 inches, allowing you to sweep while standing upright, along with a matching dustpan that includes built-in teeth to help remove hair from the broom automatically. This broom and dustpan combo is suitable for use on floors in kitchens, offices, halls, and other indoor spaces, and its black and red design fits easily into regular household cleaning routines. 15. Hauling heavy loads for gardening, camping, or grocery runs can be tiring without the right equipment. The Golabs collapsible wagon cart is designed to make transporting items easier with a foldable, heavy-duty design. It offers a load capacity of up to 350 pounds and expandable storage up to 100 liters, giving you room for larger or bulkier items. The wagon features a double-bearing design for flexible steering and smoother movement, along with a sturdy frame that folds down for storage when not in use. With 2 built-in cup holders and a practical layout, this wagon works well for outdoor tasks, garden use, camping trips, and everyday hauling needs. 16. When you're relaxing on the couch, it's easy to run out of space for drinks, snacks, and everyday essentials like remotes or a phone. The HMASYO couch. Cup holder tray is designed to sit securely over a sofa armrest and create a stable surface for daily use. Made from silicone, it features a built-in cup holder along with a tray area for items like snacks, a cell phone, or remote controls. And it uses an anti-slip, anti-spill design to help keep things in place. This couch armrest tray works well in living rooms or family spaces and is suitable for anyone who wants a simple way to keep essentials organized and within reach while sitting comfortably. 17. Doing laundry in small living spaces can be challenging when there's no room for full-size appliances. The ROVSUN 110-volt portable clothes dryer is designed to provide a compact drying solution for apartments, dorms, or other limited spaces. This front-load tumble dryer features a stainless steel tub, a simple control knob for easy operation, and an 850-watt drying system made for everyday loads. Its portable design allows it to fit more easily into smaller laundry areas while still functioning like a traditional dryer. This machine is suitable for individuals or households looking for a practical way to dry clothes indoors without a large permanent setup. 18. Adding lighting to a room can be difficult when there's no nearby outlet or when you want a clean, cordless look. The battery-operated wall sconces set of 2 is designed to provide wireless wall lighting for spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, or hallways. Each sconce features a rose gold metal finish and uses rechargeable magnetic bulbs that attach easily and are controlled with an included remote. The lights are dimmable and offer up to 15 RGB color options, allowing you to adjust brightness and color to suit different moods or activities. With a 23-inch wall lamp design and no hard wiring required, these wall sconces work well for decorative and functional lighting in a variety of indoor settings. 19. Furnishing a small room can be tricky when space is limited, but you still want comfortable seating. This 51-inch Loveseat sofa is designed as a compact loveseat that fits well in smaller living areas like bedrooms, apartments, or dorm-style spaces. It features a comfy teddy-style fabric a solid all-wood construction, and a tool-free setup that makes assembly straightforward. The Loveseat is designed for everyday seating without extra pillows included, and its clean beige finish blends easily with different room styles. This sofa works well for anyone looking for a simple, space-conscious seating option for a living room or personal space. 20. Ironing can be inconvenient when you don't have space for a full ironing board or need a quick setup at home. The Ruibo magnetic ironing mat blanket is designed to work as an iron board alternative by placing it directly on top of a washer or dryer. This quilted pad features a heat-resistant design and built-in magnets that help keep it securely in place during use. Sized at 33 by 18 inches, it provides a flat surface for ironing shirts, pants, or smaller items, and it can be folded and stored easily when not in use. This portable ironing mat is suitable for apartments, laundry rooms, or anywhere a compact ironing solution is helpful for everyday tasks. The links to all the products are in the description below, so feel free to check them out if anything caught your eye. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more small space finds, and save it for later when you're ready to upgrade your apartment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.